All right, guys, I'm striving to make my goals a reality, and you can too, guys. All right, look how much weight I lost, right? And look how happy I am. Look at how fun I live, right? I'm so happy, guys. I'm gonna be the most gorgeous person on the planet. I'm so lucky. Yes, guys, and I want you guys to go for your goals, right? No harm in that, right? You're not impeding on anyone. It's not a selfish thing. It's not something you should feel guilty about. It's not something you should feel, it's something you don't deserve. You all deserve it, right? We all deserve it, right? So go for your goals. Don't worry about hate. Obviously, hate is not, you have to remember that I'm very famous, right? I'm not that famous, but people know I'm going to be very famous, right? So I understand people might just say whatever, but they don't mean it, right? They really love me, right? I'm very popular. I'm very good, right? So I know they really love me, right? So I'm not worried about it, right? Most people that know who I am as a creator think I'm awesome, right? Whether they pretend or whatever, I know they like me, right? So I'm really grateful I'm making my goals happen, and so can you, right? You know you can, right? So let's all be proud of ourselves. Let's all work towards our goals. If you want to lose weight, you can do it, right? Counting calories and exercising, right? And make sure you do it in a safe way and a healthy way. You don't want to be doing something unsafe, and you want to make sure you're healthy, right? Or you're doing it in a healthy way. Now, some people, like I said, there's Ozempic, there's liposuction. You can do both those things if you're over 18. I mean, I only recommend such things if you're older, but even older than 18. I think if you're 18, you still have time to lose weight by exercise. But they are viable options, and people use them all the time, right? Anyway, thank you so much. Bye, guys.